Hey everyone, I'm going to go through how we can install the TI-84 calculator onto your computer. That way you don't have to worry about buying one or checking one out. This will be an option for you to have for 90 days for free, and that should be all we need it for. So I'm going to walk you through these steps right now, and then we'll complete this in class just so we can answer any questions we have. So um, if you go to the home page and go into the download TI-84 calculator. I put that right below the 1.1 notes. So if you click on download TI-84 calculator, there are some instructions here. So if you go up to these instructions and follow them step by step, the first step is to go to the Texas Instrument website. So when you click on that link, it will open up this website for you. Okay, step 2 says you need to click on the top link that says TI-84 TI SmartView emulator software for the TI-84 Plus, and we want to have the Macintosh version. This should be the top one on the screen. So if we go in here, TI SmartView emulator software for TI-84 Plus Macintosh. So you will click on this. When you click on that, it says you're going to see a software sort of download in the bottom left corner of your screen. And you're going to let that download. Okay, you're going to let that finish. So what's going to look like? Click. And you're going to see this. Okay, this is going to pop up. It's going to say 21 seconds left or 44 seconds left. You're going to let that finish downloading. Okay, and it might take about a minute. That's what it took the first time I downloaded it. And when that finishes downloading, I'm going to close it out because I already downloaded it. So it says here, when it's done downloading, a window will pop up with a box icon on it. So it's going to look like this. This window will pop up. You can see off to the side here that mine's already downloaded, but this will pop up, that box icon. This is what I'm talking about. It looks like an empty box. So what you're going to do here, it says, is double click on the box icon. So when you double click this box icon, this will pop up. So you see how mine says it's already in there because I already installed mine. What's going to happen, you're going to click on continue. I can't, but you're going to click on continue, and then you're going to click install. And it might take a little bit to install, okay? So again, you're going to click continue and then click install. I have to close because mine's already installed. So continue, then you'll click install. And then when the app finishes installing, there's going to be 3 bubbles. The top one's going to say enter license, and the second one down is going to say start 90-day free trial. You're going to click on start 90-day free trial. So it's going to be a little circle. You just click on it. And then you're going to click finish. I believe it says finish. And then it should be all done and set up. Okay, this last step, though, is going to be the tricky one. So down at the bottom here, there's this calculator that says 84. That's the calculator that I installed. It wasn't there right away. So when you're done with step 5 and you click finish, after clicking 90-day free trial, you might have to go into your Launchpad. And when you go into your Launchpad on the top, you'll have to type in TI-84. Or just type in TI, and this will pop up. You will click this, and you will drag it down to the bottom. So click it and hold it, and then drag down to the bottom, and it will leave the calculator right in the bottom here. And then what you can do is just double click on it, and this will pop up. And then you have this is your online calculator that we're going to be using, and it'll look like this. Okay? And we'll go through this in class just to make sure everything's all good. But that is my short video for you.